You guys, okay, I wanted to show you a video of what I eat in a day. Two parts, like two ways of doing this. It's either if you're doing the 11-day ER shred, then I'll show you what I do. But this is also something that I do, like more of like my maintenance, everyday eating. So let me just show you. Let me just take you along for the ride, okay? I'm making my bone broth.
I was gonna just start the movie and then you jumped in the movie.
Go. Okay. I'm making my bone.
I'm like the guy at, what do you call it? Bonsai Grill. Okay, hi. If you're doing the 11-day ER shred with us, then we want to teach you how to incubate your shakes because you're going to get max absorption and it's going to be much easier on your digestion, okay? So what you do is you need Isoline Pro Shake, okay? The reason is because this has the protease in there and also it has the right ratio of carb to protein. You are going to, you want to get your, I'm not going to heat up my purified water right now because that takes a little minute, but you're going to get this to where it's warm but not hot. So you want your water to be between 70 and 100 degrees. So you could, 100 degrees is great, but you don't have to be exact somewhere in there. So I just feel it. Then what you want to do is you take your Isoline Pro, you're going to add 2 scoops. 1, 2. Now we're going to go over here to our blender. We're going to blend this. And it's good to blend it like 1 minute to 2 minutes. It warms it up even more. So that's what I've been doing. Blend it for a long time. I'm not going to do that now because the video. Now, you just bring it over here. You go like this. You leave it 30 to 40 minutes. And then when the timer goes off, so go take a shower, go do your email, pluck your eyebrows. What do you do? I don't know what you do. And then timer goes off, come back. Now what you can do when you come back is throw some ice cubes in here, blend it again, and it'll be nice and fresh. But you'll notice, while it's sitting there, you'll notice the protease is going to work. It'll start bubbling up. It's a really cool process. It's not fermentation, it's incubation. And then what I do is I do this at night. If you can do it at night and stick it in the fridge for the next morning, you just need to make sure you drink it within a 12-hour period of time. If you want to blend your shakes and do them the way you've always done them and drink them within 5 to 10 minutes, you're free to do that. They're still highly beneficial. People have been doing that for 18 years and seeing all kinds of benefits. But if you want to utilize the net protein utilization concept and get 70% better net protein absorption, then you've got to incubate the shakes. I love the way it tastes straight out of the fridge in the morning after I've incubated it, put it in there. I love the way it tastes myself. Just add a little more water than you normally would so it's not too thick. And that's about it, guys. And guess what? You can do this on the ER shred. You're going to do it twice a day. The 2 warm-up days, you're going to do it on the 5 shake days in between your 2 cleanse days. 2 cleanse days towards the beginning, 2 cleanse days towards the end. And then moving on to maintenance, some people just keep doing 2 shakes a day and 1 meal and they just love it. You can play with that. You can do 2 shakes and 2 light meals. You can do 1 shake a day. My suggestion as a lifestyle, do at least 1 shake a day forever because it's easy. You're getting the right nutrition in your body every day. Structures your whole day. It's just awesome.
Okay, now it's about mid-morning. I'm going to make my bone broth. You can blend up the bone broth in a blender. If you mix it into hot water, then it dissolves pretty easily. And then I also like to add a little bit of extra salt. I like to add more sea salt because I just want to make sure I'm getting enough salt every single day. So I'm sitting out at the pool, getting a little bit of vitamin D. I like to spend about 20 to 40 minutes outside just getting some vitamin D from the sun. But right now I am snacking on some pork rinds. There's my sexy hubbin.
I just carry music around.
He carries music around for me at the pool. So I like to snack on pork rinds. These are great. I like this brand, barbecue seasoning, and it's simple ingredients. I'm drinking flavored sparkling water that has no sugar in it. And then I put a little bit of my trace minerals. You can add it to your water, but it's not the best tasting. So I like to add it to some flavored soda water, like a Perrier or a LaCroix, something like that, because it has no sugar in it. I'll put the link in the description of this video if you're interested in the kind that I use. And one thing that Sean and I love to do is to do a cold plunge in our pool. So once it starts to get colder, then we like to jump in the pool, a Wim Hof method cold plunge, but it's not quite cold enough yet. It just feels refreshing right now, right, Sean?
Feels good.
Yeah. Let me see your muscles. Whoa. Whoa. Amazing. I'm just about ready to go do a really intense workout, so I'm going to drink my e-shot, and I usually drink like half, but every once in a while I'll drink the whole thing. So just a little tip, if you want to make these last even longer, then half should be enough. I wanted to show you our new freezer that we got. It's down in our basement to hold all of our meat. A half of a cow, local, grass-fed, and I'm so excited about it. Whoa, this is gonna last us. Okay, we just had a bunch of steaks for dinner. My little carnivore, my little meat eater. And then Sean just polished off his steak. Good boy, good boy. You did good. And then I'm cooking up meat for tomorrow. I'm gonna let it cook overnight, and I like to have it out here so that my house doesn't smell like meat. Cook it on low for like 10 hours. And I like to do this like every other day. And I just put a bunch of sea salt, a little bit of water, and then we've been really loving this Flavor God. All their seasonings are really good because the ingredients are good. We'll have meat for the next couple days. This has been the most convenient diet ever. So easy. We usually just grill steaks at night and put something in the crock pot every couple days, and then we're set.